Here's a 1941 Plymouth 5-window coupe. Now, these particular cars, I believe, came in kind of 3 different models of 5-window coupes. I think you had the 5-window coupe, I think you had a deluxe and a special deluxe. This particular one has been turned into kind of a street rod, but still retains so much of the original look to it that it's tough to tell. One of the things you can see, obviously, from looking at the outside is riding on the American Racing spoked wheels. Not just the plain wheel covers that this car would have came with. Now, right here we have your Plymouth badging. I believe the Special Deluxes had a little different badging right there. Although this one on the dash does have a Special Deluxe badge on the inside there. So we're going to go with it's a 41 Plymouth 5-window coupe. And as far as the trim level or model, it has been street rotted. Underneath the hood, Chevy 350 V8. Also nice equipment, power steering, power brakes, and does have a vintage AC style air conditioning to it. One of the neat things you see on this is the emblem right up front, the product of Chrysler Corp USA. I would call the bright work nice in this car. See, it's got the bumper guards. These are an add down here, come down and protect the end of the bumpers. And there's still a bumper that goes down through those. Bumper guards are kind of a dress up. Also has that on the rear. A lot of bright work, as you can see, up around the headlight bezels. Crazy hood ornament on these. Neat looking car. And again, with a lot of modern amenities. Also has a turbo 350 automatic transmission paired with that 350 V8 underneath the hood. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the engine bay, check out the underside, check out the interior, go ahead and check out the still pictures. There's a link down below this video in the description. Click on that. That'll take you to uniqueclassiccars.com. You can check out the still pictures there, or feel free to give us a call to 507-386-1726. Be happy to assist you with this car. Actually came out of a collection of about a dozen cars, I suppose, that we purchased. One of the family members had passed away, unfortunately, and the collection was then sold out. And that's how we ended up with it. It does have a power bench seat on the interior, aftermarket stereo in there, and of course the AC controls. We'll get around to the driver's side and I'll show you that. Nice looking car from the rear. That paint's in nice driver quality shape. I went around, there was one little touch up in the trunk. Other than that, not a lot of nicks or dings or scratches. You can tell it's an older paint, yes, but it's this nice looking deep wine color. And it still shows very nice. There's the rear bumper like I was talking about, kind of with the bumper guards on the end. This would be the correct Plymouth logo for this, but they would have kind of touched up and matched the Plymouth lettering and stripes to match the rest of the car as far as color-wise. Again, uniqueclassiccars.com, or take a look down below in the description of this video. Click on that link. That's going to take you to our website where you can check out the still pictures. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with the transportation of this car to where you're located at. Once again, phone number 507-386-1726. You can see the nice luster reflection in the paint. Look good on a sunny day, rolling into your local cruise in, or just going out to a local show, having a little fun, spending the afternoon with some friends. Oh, there was one little spot I want to show here too. It does have a little crack in the side glass. Side glass is flat glass. It doesn't take a whole lot to replace that. Kind of neat up here too, where they've had this etched. You can see that. Well, 41 Plymouth Coupe etched in the wing window. Kind of cool. All right, let's check out this interior. So we got a vinyl cloth blend, and as you can see, it's nice shape, kind of a red, a little deeper red to go with that beautiful deep wine exterior. Carpeting to match the wine exterior. Now, this power seat, I did have this work each which way it went. Forwards, backwards, tilt, back tilts, up, down. So that power seat is fully functional. As you can see, headliner in nice shape. Rear's been finished off. Little Plymouth logo. So no rear seat. Does have the stereo system and everything back there. Let's take a look at this dash. Got a little later model steering wheel that was put in it with a tilt column. And as far as the dashers, where I was talking about kind of that special deluxe logo. The old radio still exists there, but now there's a Pioneer, I believe it is, down there. Didn't look at the brand earlier, sorry. And that is working. Removable face plate. Nice painted to match interior. Let's go ahead and fire this car up, and of course the AC controls for heat and cool and fan speed there. Did have the wipers working also. Click those on. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Pretty nice sounding engine. Might be a little cold, so we might have the high idle on when I get out. Let's go ahead and oh, one other thing I forgot. Power windows. Power windows did work also. Worked good actually. Go down quite quick. Yeah, the choke may be on. May have the high idle on. We'll come around here anyway, so you can hear it. See if I can get that to slow down. It does have a nice little cam to it when it comes off that high idle. A little bit of a rumble to it. I'll come up here, we'll pop the hood so you can check out the engine bay and see what we got underneath there too. See if I can get her warmed up and get off that high idle. See, the door closes nicely there. I'm gonna go ahead and pause this video a second, so I gotta get the secondary latch up here and the hood open and see what's underneath there. Alright, got the hood popped. Thought I might warm up and come off that high idle a little bit. But see how smooth the engine runs. Power steering, power brakes. Like I said, a little vintage AC. Some added in there, vintage style AC. I've not had that blowing cold. Where we're at here, it's a little chilly, to be able to tell. Compressor did kick on and off earlier. I was playing around with it, but I've not had it blowing cold. So 350 underneath the hood, paired with a 350 automatic transmission, 1941 Plymouth 5-window coupe, down into a little street rod. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, or click down below on the link in the description of the video, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades, financing is available, and of course we can assist you with getting this car where you're located at.